pack. It's hidden behind you, but they have to explore this whole playground to get the easiest part. That's the easiest part behind you. But the monster trucks have to complete all the levels. That's level 4 over there, but we're on level 1. This is level 1, so the first truck has to go around level 1, then level 2, level 3, level 4, and then when you get level 4 is the cobra, so when they get to the end of the cobra, they get it. And then we're going to open up that 9-pack with 9 trucks. This is going to be awesome. All right, here we go. Whoop! Hey, you have to get down the stairs. Oh, wait, that's the wrong way. No, not like that. Here we go. All right, kids, we're going to start on level 1. Level 1 is the whole playground set. And that's level 2. Look, bottom over there. See that blue floor? That's the level 2. And then level 3 is over there, the harder playground. The harder playground is like 6 to 12 ages, maybe. They have to be 6 years old and 12 years old. They have to be somewhere between 6 and 12. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, you have to make it up the bridge. Whoa. Maybe it is a little bit more speed. Crash. Oh, no, don't fall off. Oh, no. Whee! All right, here we go. Whee! Whoa! Whoa! All right. Let's see what is down here. Whee! Whee! Woo! Lava! Kids, you know why that is lava? Because that's level 2. Gotta respawn. Respawn. Go up. See me, kids. Hello. You have to get down the slide, kid. Here we go. Go! Oh my God, kids! Kids, did you see what he did? He was like, meow! What? He's fancy. All right. Since he completed level 1, we're going to do level 2. Okay, kids, we have to get back to the base, but first we have to get up this silver ladder. What? He's trying to do windows, really? Wait, what? There we go. All right, here I go. Back to the base. Wheelie! Wheelie! This truck is the fanciest. We already done him. He goes away. All right, well, you have to go, Green Digger. Here we go. Whee! Level 2 starts over here, kids. He has to go down the slide. 3, 2, 1, down the slide. Whee! Ooh, he didn't make it past. Oh, let's try again, kids. Oh, he did not land. Kids, we're gonna go slide there. This is a good slide because that one was fancy. I'm gonna go over here. Woo! Oh! Landed it! Yay! He landed it too? He did the same thing. He just hit the tip and landed it. Well, he went further than our grave digger. Man, how do you do that? How do you do that? I could not do that if I was a monster truck. I couldn't do that. Let's go backwards. He's at level 4. He's not supposed to be at level 4. Respawn. He is a slowpoke. Let's get back up the slide. Here we go. Oh, he landed that kids, he's done for level 3. Here he goes. Level 3 is so far from level 1 right here. Level 3 is going to be all the way over to the hard playground. Close. Here's the Hot Wheel track. Look at this. This looks like something from a Hot Wheel track. Oh man, the wheel's splashing on me. 3, 2, 1. That didn't work. 3, 2, 1. Bump! That was a bump! I'm stuck! Help me! Help me! Oh no! Ah! Alright, here we go. No? Hey, kids, the monster truck's gonna go down the slide. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, kids! He landed it! Alright, we're on level 4, kids. First, we have to get this back home. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Maybe straighten it out. Monster Jam is not straight. There we go, finally. Alright, kids, this is our last truck, the 40th anniversary Gravedigger for level 4. Level 4 is the water over there and the cobra. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, he has to stay on the track. He only got 3 chances. If he doesn't stay on the track, he'll lose the 9-pack. Because, oh, he's doing quite good. Well, he's almost at the end, kids. He only got 2 chances. He's gonna get past. And he got the 9-pack! Woo! Alright, here's the 9-pack, kids. Right, kids, we're going to open up the trucks, kids. Right, here's the 9-pack. Alright, let's get Gravedigger out. Ooh, that looks cool. Wait, his engine looks weird. See that, kids? Kids, Gravedigger has tan ribs, black tires, tan chassis, black suspension, and the same color as this Gravedigger. Yay! Right? Now we're going to look at Dragon. Oh man, this dragon looks so cool. Kids, do you like this dragon? If you ever saw a dragon before, please give me likes on my videos. Alright, so this dragon is all white and black for the body, black chassis, white suspension, black and white ribs and tires. Right? Oh wait, I'm not a family of that. I'm the only dragon here today. Next up we have Stone Crusher. Guys, did you ever see a Stone Crusher before? This is my first time seeing a Stone Crusher. You don't normally see Stone Crushers a lot. So, Stone Crusher has red, black ribs, black tires, well, red and gray ribs, black chassis, gray suspension, and like rocks. Oh, look at that, man. Gold? Rocks, gold, something, I don't know. For the body. Oh, red? Oh no. I don't really know. He's the only Stone Crusher here today. Dragonoid! Whoa, kids, does this Dragonoid look so cool? Green see-through wings? Purple and black, green. Man, this is the best Dragonoid I ever saw. So I must have already told you what the body looks like, so maybe I should tell you the other parts. So, gray chassis, well, I have black chassis, gray suspension, green ribs, and black tires. All right. He's the only Dragonoid today. He goes over there. Next up we have El Toro Loco. Well, I just put sweat on him. Hey, stop putting sweat on me. Sorry. Do I get a piece of sweat even though you yelled at me? No! All right, so El Toro Loco got an orange body, black suspension, silver suspension, black chassis, black tires, and gray rims. He's the only El Toro Loco today. There's only 4 ones that are so lonely by themselves, and this is the only one that has more of them. 5 grave diggers, like 4 big, 1 small. And 4 little ones are different. All right, next up we have Zombie. Think. Why am I on the 6th row? I don't want to be on the 6th row. Think. How am I on the 6th row? All right, kids. He has his hands all crunched up. All right, so Zombie is all red for the body. Oh man, I can't see the zombie word. All right, so weird like Gravedigger. He is weird like Gravedigger. Look, weird engine, normal engine. There are normal engines right here, but weird engine. Great, so tan chassis and tan rims and black tires and black suspension. I think he's gonna go to the alone area. He's alone. So now there's 5 alones and 5 grave diggers. Now it's open by magic, kids. Man, this is cool, kids. This is so cool. Bounty Hunter yellow, Bounty Hunter blue. Look, yellow, blue. Whoa! I don't believe it. Bounty Hunter. So Bounty Hunter for the body is mixed color, yellow and blue, black tires and rims. Now it's blue chassis and gray tires and gray suspension. He's the alone area. Now there's 6 alones and 5 grave diggers. Alright, next up we have Soldier Fortunes. Right, I found 2 Soldier Fortunes. This is the second one. Ghost Crew Series 34 Soldier Fortune is the first one. So this Soldier Fortune is green body, silver suspension, black chassis, and green rims and black tires. He's alone too. We have Mr. Winston. Alright, next we have Bulldozer. There's a bug over there. Scared me. This looks like El Toro Loco, kids, but it's Bulldozer. Not bro. I think you are a bro, kids. Alright, bros. Oh no. Alright, so he has retro black tires, gray rims, gray suspension, black chassis, and yellow body. Alone area. time to go down that slide. Hey, first up we have Green Digger. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds, kids! I'm gonna try out Toro Loco, like there. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. 2 seconds! New record! We have Bulldozer. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. 2 seconds! Alright, next up we have, I don't know, Dragonoid. I want to save Dragonoid for last, maybe. Alright, next we have Bounty Hunter. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds! Dragon. 1, 2, 3. Soldier Fortune. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fail! Fail! Soldier Fortune's a fail! I took up Zombie. 1, 2, 3. 3 up! Really? Bone Crusher. 1, 2, 3. So we have Dragonoid. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. 2 seconds? I don't know who win. Maybe 2 seconds. Oh man, he went the furthest. The Toro Loco. So first place. Second place. Third place. Because so he had 2 seconds. 2 seconds went the furthest. 2 seconds almost went the furthest. 3 seconds went the least furthest. Like he didn't went that far, but he got 2 seconds. Okay, kids, we're going to say bye, and let's jump in the water. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Give me the most likes. Give me like 900 likes, or maybe 1,000. Maybe 1 billion. Thanks for watching. It's a whirlpool! It's flipping me over! Oh no, what do I do? I'm under attack! Beep, 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 beep! Woo! Let's play catch ball. Whatever. Hey, it's stopping me! Whee! Whee! The stream! Oh, that can shoot in my water! Oh no! Oh, we're getting splashed, kids! No! Let's get the grass some glitter. Kids, you hear that? Ah, hear that sound, kids? That sounds so lovely.